Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm with my friend tonight and we're deciding to do a video for you on how to make a vegetable peanut satay. So I'm pretty sure we've got everything here already. We got the pan on. So now we're using olive oil. We've got peanut butter, peanut satay. It's a Taylor's peanut satay. Some vegetables and the spoons and whatever else we need for it. So I'm going to start off with the olive oil. This one, wasn't it?
Yes, the large one.
Yes. So I'm just going to put...
This is a great way to get vegetables into people and get some vitamins going.
And it's yummy.
We don't tell them that.
Very yummy. satay night. Alright. So just move that around a little bit. Done. Let it heat up a bit. And then next we're going to do the peanut butter crunchy.
Add a little bit of extra peanut butter.
It's probably better crunchy, hey, because
very much, yes.
With the satay it just goes better a little bit than would be the smooth one. So
there is peanuts in the satay, but we find a little extra helps. Don't do this if you're allergic to peanut butter.
Yeah, don't do it if you're allergic. So we're just going to move that around a little bit, make sure it melts in with the oil.
Probably need a spoon just to stir around.
It sticks too much. I'm just going to melt that in.
Looks good.
Is enough?
Yeah, looks good.
Alright. And the sauce is next. Let's see if my strong arms can open this. So now we're going to be pouring this peanut satay simmer sauce onto the frying pan. So we use all of it, right?
Yep. And then rinse out.
And then we'll use water.
Yeah.
Right.
Yep. Yeah, just enough to put it back on and
to get the rest of the sauce out.
it's gone out.
Oh,
That's load that up. That's right. Put that in.
hold it. Had to go out. Alright.
Get your veggies.
Loading up the vegetables. And we just use all of them?
Yep, pour in the whole lot. I might even share tonight.
Now if I eat it all first. It looks like a lot, but when it like simmers all down and it cooks properly, it looks less. So I'm trying to get that all in. And then the lid. Right. And there you have it. All done. I'm going to be making a second part to this video because it does take a while to cook. How long do you reckon it takes?
Probably 20-25 minutes from frozen.
Alright, so stay tuned for my next video, part 2 of the peanut satay. Bye.